Okay, ufaka ngobungani uhlekisnes right.
Cause manje ngobungani yahlupha kawo. Manje wena overshapshwe sizimpintshi sipusha sonke awusidinga ama event nge artist. Imagine uzongibooka like for free like every time ngobimpintshi yami. Yabo.
You for free.
Ndoda.
That's event kawucula kawo. You know like
Ndiyadlala wena obvious ndoda. Ndoda nabanje sisayipusha ndoda kawo ukuze umuntu akubhadale ndoda bayahleka ndoda abantu bathi bawucamba price usabatshela ukuthi ayi price kanje bazobethi awe mana kancane lapho obviously nazifunani uma fees usabe nazo yabo
so obvious karatu
simele siyenze yiyo phela le dusty road.
So we say like sometimes when you guy maybe six pack a Red Bull or something.
Father, I mean, I look at the village just because the kitchen music. I cow, you just not see kitchen music cause you can't use it in you see a gas of food might be said to go. Yeah, in terms of the Joko with your listen to this, I gotta listen to this into millions in Zagala. Abu, we are tired of the Lana said, Maracas, and I'm upcoming this Panagai. How cool to sometimes as you feel like an ass like our year.
So what when the challenge that you're facing is that financial stability from venue to venue, abantu obvious ama club mhlamba our grand when keep it from getting la isikhathi sakho because sacrifice a lot of things.
Ama challenges apaya kawo like even like ezinye izinto le into ade ikhuluma nini ukuthi why like abanye singaspan nama producer nama artist abana namanye kunamanye ama challenges la then obvious nama performance kunamanye ama challenges ukucela umuntu ukuthi akupromote ingoma amanye ama challenges into lezi vele kawo challenges ezilongeni upcoming
so and then also writes a life in it and someone else wants to stick on your plate and you gotta give them
njalo phela